Oo, mabait lang siya.
8:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
We're out here cutting up garlic, cooking some fish, bro. We're about to go on an adventure today. We are setting up the Fiesta. Yes, we're throwing a party for just because we love the Philippines and we want to give back, but we also want to have fun. Throwing a party is the perfect way to give back in the Philippines because they love to party, bro. These people love to eat food and sing karaoke and party. Definitely there's gonna be some drinks there. We're gonna throw it right. I've been here for long enough. I know exactly what to do. So today we gotta find the place where we're gonna throw it. We're gonna throw it somewhere random on the island that's away from society, and I think they're gonna go crazy. Oh,
steamy
blue marlin. This is like steak and tuna, fresh on the beach for breakfast, man. Oh, this is cool, bro. We're on the hunt right now trying to find a village that we're gonna throw Fiesta at.
It's pretty dope. We're in Salvacion Village. First time checking it out.
Selena, the Coke bottle.
How much is it?
We're gonna throw Fiesta here. The Fiesta.
You like Fiesta?
Fiesta. Bye-bye. This is definitely the bright village for the party. Now we just have to talk to somebody in charge to help set this up here. We got Riley and his Filipino friend here, so she speaks their language.
Kay gusto daw nila dito magkuhan. Sino pa tong vlogger na laging pumupunta sa ila dito dong? Foreigner?
That's what we understand, vlogger.
That's all we understand. You're right.
I see.
Kabayo ako dyan balang dyan.
No, I said, she said.
She's right. Whatever she just said is right. I believe her. You understand? Yeah, so what day works the best? Saturday, Friday?
Para mas maraming tao.
Friday.
Weekend, Sabado, Domingo. Sabado kasi pag Linggo.
Sabado?
Saturday.
Good Samaritan.
Oh, thank you. I'm trying. Oh, bro, they said 3,000 people for the party. That is insane.
2,000. Kay 1,500. 1,500.
1.5 for one sack?
1,000.
One sack is enough of rice?
One sack is 50 kilograms. That is 3,000.
And what meat is the cheapest? What protein?
Frozen food.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Fish and
Chicken. The best is chicken.
cheapest?
Yeah. The cheapest.
How much chicken? Oh, we're getting in over our head.
10.
10 chickens? That's it?
No, 10 pieces in one.
10 pieces in one kilo. We chop it for 10.
10 portions.
Total pagluto, we will
Bro, it's like 100 chickens. So how much chickens do you think?
15 to 20 chicken.
15 to 20 chickens?
Yes.
Okay, it's not
sack.
that
Start
bad.
at 20. Tapos times 2, that is 4,000.
How much you got in on this?
I got 1,000 at least.
1,000? All right. Y'all to come together, support the Van Boys. We're throwing a Fiesta this weekend, this Saturday. We got like 5 days. And I got to make this happen, bro. I think we're already in too deep now. It's only up to me to make sure this goes good for all these people in the village. 1,500 people at this party, bro. It's going to be the craziest thing on Siargao. And it's super cool because it's a village that don't get stuff like this happening. So it's not like this has ever happened before here. It's going to be epic. We just figured it out, bro. We're set it up. We just have to come up with the money and they're gonna set it up. A big bag of rice is 3,000 and then fried chicken is the cheapest chicken and that's like another 3,000, there's like 6,000 for chicken. Yes.
Sábado Fiesta.
And then it takes like the oil to fry it and everything. They said it's estimated around 10,000 pesos to feed 1,500 people. Hopefully we'll get the real number. We're talking to them on Facebook. We get the real number tomorrow. Hopefully it's like 8,000, 7,000, hopefully. Hello. We throw Fiesta this weekend. Make sure you're there.
Saturday.
Ice cream stop. Right, our school's getting out. I'm so happy we're doing this.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, this Saturday we're throwing a Fiesta. Sábado.
Fiesta.
Tell them.
Sábado Fiesta.
Sábado, we come back and party, okay?
They understand it? You can tell them? That's how it's a party?
Sabado daw magpakaon sila dapat galing mo diyaw Sabado. Sabado dito Kaon.
I like, okay.
They're so shy, bro. They're so shy, but they're so nice.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's so cute.
Let's go. We couldn't have picked a better village, bro. Probably every village is this nice, though. Like, Philippines is just amazing, but this one's perfect. See y'all. Man, bro. That feels awesome that I got the platform that can help me out. This is y'all's help, bro. Like, this David, my man David, went crazy yesterday in the lives. Oh, my goodness. Bye-bye. And y'all always watch the videos and show love, like and comment, and grown this page to 52,000 subs. That's why we're only reason we're able to do this. So cheers, shout out y'all. Van Boys to the moon. Chicken crossing the road, buddy. Hey, ruff, ruff, ruff. You like that?
That was crazy.
They're happy.
What did they
Oh,
say?
there they come.
Do you see what the little guy was doing?
Yeah, use that.
No. He was
what's he
doing
doing?
something wrong.
Oh, they're little kitten.
Kiss kitty cat. That's how you do it.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Ooh,
You like it?
I look cool.
Do you know who's Puka?
No,
You look like Puka.
Puka, yeah, in the NFL?
Do what?
NFL? No. Not much to today's video, but we had a good day. We did that today. We went to the village.
Yeah.
Damn, today was
Yeah,
a long ass day. I played basketball for 3 hours. They went to the cold springs. We played billiards. Ate good food cooked by this woman, dude. This woman is amazing.
Yeah.
She's a keeper. If Riley don't keep her, we'll have to add her to
Wow.
the Van Boys. Wow, I'm getting cornrows right now. It's all good vibes in the Philippines. Last week for them too, I got 2 more weeks. And then Indonesia, we're all 3 meeting up in Indonesia. And Canada, y'all's favorite, besides Tanner. Canada's coming back. So it's a Van Boys reunion, bro. The video's about to go crazy in Indonesia. And my sister's coming, so it's gonna be sick, bro. We're gonna do a lot of camping, or I really don't know what to expect. Riley says we're gonna sleep in random people's houses, like they're gonna invite us. But is it comfy?
Oh yeah, it's nice. I slept great.
He said he stayed for 1 week at a random islander's house. And like, you know, Indonesia's known for Bali. Well, it's got 11,000 other islands like Philippines does. And they're not as popular as Bali. So we're about to explore those. Apparently they're beautiful, and you got mountains you can climb, and I don't know what to expect, but we're going there and we're gonna show y'all what happens. So cheers. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Oh yeah, we're throwing this party though, so if you have any help, the Venmo is Van Boys, straight up Van Boys. It'll be on the screen. And we're going live stream every single day this week around 11 o'clock my time, which is like the same, like 11 p.m. y'all's time. It'll be like 11 a.m. my time. We're on opposite sides of the whole entire world. It's crazy. This is like so tight my brain can barely function. I hope it looks good. But yeah, man, to the moon and party this Saturday. So anything helps towards it, man. Shout out. We got the best community on YouTube. I'm glad we get to do something huge, like feeding 1,500 people on a Saturday and everybody just having a good time. It's gonna be wild, bro. I'm proud to meet this awesome friend group that helped me come up with the idea to make that happen, and to have y'all going crazy at the live stream. Y'all helped us too. It was during a live stream that we came up with this idea. So shout out David, shout out everybody else who's in there. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow's live stream, and we're gonna do a cooking video tomorrow. So let us know. We're thinking about doing burritos or tacos.
Mango floats.
And mango float. That's for dessert. And we gotta show y'all. It's a watermelon. You cut the top off and you blend all the watermelon, and then you pour it back in there with ice, I think.
Yeah.
And then you put cut up lemons and put it in there, and you drink it. Something like that. We'll see tomorrow, bro. Watermelon lemonade. I love y'all, bro. To the moon, man. Thank you for supporting us. We got to this point. 54,000 views. We're about to hit 100K, bro. Follow the Instagram if you're not, man. Funny videos up every single day and just dope vibes. So, cheers. I love you, bro. Thank you for supporting me. Vanboys to the moon. What do you got to say, Karen?
Vanboys to the moon.
What do you got to say?
Rice Suave coming up.
Hey, bro, the trio, bro. Y'all see more of us in Indonesia, bro. But first, we got this party to attend. Cheers. My boy Rai Suave just got monetized like literally this week. We need to help Karen, Colombian Karen. Make sure all of y'all go sub to her right now. She's at 450. How many of y'all real ones have watched this far in the video and is going to go sub to her and boost her up to 500? Can we hit 600? Can at least 500, at least 40 of y'all. But really, how many? Like, let's show us how strong the Vanboys community is. There's Rai Suave.
Woo!
Thank you guys. Appreciate any support. Hope
And
you
that's
enjoy my music.
Colombian Karen, bro. He has a sick vlog. A sick, like another point of perspective of our fishing island adventure that has like
Island
couple
hopping
thousand
tour
views.
from my point of view.
And Karen,
Thank you.
you'll see her more tomorrow.
Yes, you're gonna see one tomorrow. Thank you. I love you. You're the best. And yeah, we are Vanboys to the moon right now.
Oh, my hair, my head.